I'm going to show you how to put problems like 896 into your calculator so that you can evaluate what that expression would equal. So right here we have -6 plus the square root of 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times -40. So these parentheses mean we're multiplying. And that whole thing is divided by 2 times 1. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into Desmos. So I go to desmos.com. I click on Start Graphing, even though I'm just going to be using it as a calculator. And now I start typing it in. If you need the square root buttons and things like that, you can go down here to the Show Keypad, and this is where you can get a bunch of those things like squares or parentheses or the square root button. Okay, so I'm going to start typing -6 plus, now I need the square root, so I'm going to come down here and click on this button and it'll start my square root. 6 squared, so I'm going to again type in 6 and then I'm going to come down here and click the squared button, or you could also do Shift 6 to do the caret button and then do squared, minus 4 times 1 times -40. Now I want this whole thing to be divided by 2 times 1, so I'm going to arrow over to get out of the square root, and I'm going to put a parenthesis there, because then that's going to group all of that together into the top of my fraction. Now I'm going to do divided by, and as you can see, it automatically puts it into a fraction like that for me, and then I'm going to say 2 times 1. And when I hit enter, I get my answer, which is 4.